Phones on Touchway with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about Nokia 3100. Yes, talking about this variant, talking about Nokia 3100, we can say that this variant was quite a good version out there back when it was released in early 2000. Yes, very early 2000 out there. Talking about this variant, talking about Nokia 3100, we can say the design resembles to the early 2000 variants out there. Yes, early 2000 variants had same design, same structurality, same kind of a versions out there. Now talking about this variant, now talking about 3100, we can say that this variant had an old version of screening out there, which was CSTN screening, and with a different version. Yes, this was the version which had a different colorization, which was 4096 color. Yes, 4096 colorization out there. This was not 265K, this was not 65K, this was not anything else out there. This was a different variation out here. This was the earliest colorization which we could see. This was the variant which has introduced actually the colorization, we can say, because before these variants we have seen when it was released, before 3100 out there, the name might be a advanced name, but the name says out there that the variants which were before its release, the precursors of this variant, had monochromic graphics screen, monochromic display out there. So this was the variant which has introduced colorization. Talking about the size, it was 1.5 inch screening out there, 1.5 inch screen out there, along with a four-way key out there with themes, wallpapers, everything could be seen. No external storage capacity was seen out there. External storage capacity remained yet another factor which need to be improved and which was gradually improved out there. Talking about this variant, it has got a phone book out there. Yes, you get to see a phone book with a very low storage capacity, which we could say a very low, because till now we have talked in MB, GBs out there, but this variant had just 484 KB. Yes, 484 KB out there, which is very less MBs out there, very less negligible MBs we can say. No camera was there, no 3.5 jack was there, nothing connectivity, no recording could be possible. Only a calculation could be possible. Organizations was there. You will get to see messages, call records. These were the things which were possible out here. So due to this thing, this variant had a good battery life of 6 to 7 hours talk time. Yes, 6 to 7 hours talk time could be seen in this variant. You get to see 6 to 7 hours talk time. As well as when we talk about this variant, when we talk about this version out there, it has 850 mAh battery. 850 mAh battery could be seen out there. Talking about this variant, talking about this version out there, it is available on very limited sites, and this variant might not be that worthy enough to invest. So you need to invest a very reasonable or very pocketable, or we can say very low amount in that, because it might be used as a secondary phone. It can be used as a even the secondary phones out there. So talking about this variant, we have got a site which offers very reasonable and a very pocket friendly and worth it rate. The site name is phonezone.ae. Yes, this is the site name out here, phonezone.ae. Talking about this site, all you have to do is come on this site by the description link, or on Google also you can do. It offers you all mobile phones out there, where you get to see n number of brands. You also get to see this search icon where you can type your favorite brand out there. Apart from that, you get to see that this site offers you 6 months warranty along with 7 exchange policy, and you also get to see COD and free shipping. Talking about free shipping, it offers 48 hours free shipping in various parts of UAE, whereas you get to see that this offers 1 week time shipping in Saudi and few parts, as well as 100% original products could be seen out here. You get to see that this offers you really amazing pricing for your favorite products. So for pricing, you can check out the website, and the description has the link, or you can go on Google and check out this website, phonezone.ae. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.